Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yep, let's just get into it. And yeah, we'll take a look at market cipher right away. On the 4 hour and on the 6 hour, on the larger time frames, we got a red dot coming in right now. Not looking too good. Also on the 1 hour, we see the money flows in the red. We got the momentum waves about to. Looks like it's gonna go for another dip. I think what's going to happen right now is that we could be potentially in a falling wedge right here, right? At which point, where if we do take another dip, maybe we would find some support, or maybe another bounce right here, right at this touch point at 43,000, 44,000, right? Maybe as low as 43,883. We might even have a massive wick down, but we'll see where this takes us. Right, I'm not looking too good right now after this dump. This was quite severe liquidations, and definitely gonna push confidence out of the market and introduce fear, right? As we saw, the greed index was extremely high, and now the hash ribbons are still there, right? We're still looking good. I'm not too worried long term, not at all, right? Even if this is the end of the cycle, right? It is a long-term investment. If you guys are in it to make like some short-term gains, then yeah, you can use trading to do that. But if you don't know how to trade, then that's unfortunate. But yeah, honestly, you always need to take a step back and look at the bigger picture, right? You have so much money printing, right? Governments are literally introducing so many relief programs all the time, and they're not letting up on it. Trillions of dollars being injected into the economy, right? All these things are going to factor in of the rise of scarce assets, right? They cannot raise the interest rates. Debt levels are so high. Even if they were to raise the rates by like 0.5%, that's billions of dollars in interest payments, right? The financing the debt is going to just kill them, which is going to cause more inflation. So they just can't do it, right? So when you look at the fundamentals, it makes sense that Bitcoin and Ethereum and like all these tokens are rising, right? They're scarce assets technically. So when you look at the big picture, it makes sense, right? You understand what's happening in the world. Right now we're taking a little bit of a dip. I think what's going to happen, we might take a dip all the way down here, 44,000. Maybe we'll get a bounce from there, back up to 45, and then we'll maybe either break up or break down from this wedge. And if we break up and we touch 47,500 again and get rejected from there, excuse me, then yeah, I would definitely think we could maybe go see some lower levels. But at this point, I am expecting a bit of a relief rally, right? We might be forming a bullish divergence right now. As we can see, the wedge are making lower lows, but the RSI is making higher highs, which is something I really like to see on a 4 hour, right? We definitely took a rough hit on liquidations for BitGet exchange. I woke up in the morning and that happened. So obviously, if you guys have lost any money at all on BitGet exchange, let me know. Send me your UID, and I'll see if I can get your money back. Right? If you were copying my trades, obviously there was like a system failure somewhat over there on their exchange, so they're gonna see if they can reimburse people for that. I really like to see that in a company, and that's why I love BitGet Exchange so much. And they've been just amazing to work with. Right? They're just a great company overall. And yeah, if we do maybe touch these levels, I will maybe enter along around 44,000, 43,800, but we'll see. Then again, like, I'm trying to step away a little bit from the trading. I focus on my business and my work, and I've just been really busy lately. Even yesterday, I missed making a video by accident, and I feel really bad about it. But I was in the Discord talking to the guys, making a bit of a little bit of a live stream, and all in all, it was really nice. It's really nice to talk to everyone in the chat. If you haven't already, definitely join the Discord. And yeah, we can see that the 21 weekly EMA is set at 42,880. So even if we do have another wick down and the RSI makes a higher high, we go all the way down there and we bounce back up, then that would be quite bullish, because staying above the 21 weekly EMA is proven to be a bullish sign to stay above it, which is really nice to see. But yeah, right now we can take a look at the EMA ribbons. Right here on the daily time frame as well. I really want to see that. Take a look at that. See, we are right at the cusp of it. Right? We are right underneath. We are right at the last EMA ribbon on the 55 EMA. And if we do break down from here, right, which would not be too good, it would be quite negative, and we could roll over and maybe see lower levels. Someone in the YouTube comments are always saying, like, we're going to 20k. I don't think we're going to go to 20k, but we'll see where that takes us. If we do go to 20k, then great. You can buy some cheap Bitcoin, right? Well, relatively cheap. 20k is still a lot, right? Even 45 is a lot. But if you look at the long-term picture, right, the bigger picture, right, where Bitcoin could be heading in the future, Bitcoin is relatively cheap right now. But obviously you could always get it at a cheaper price, but why would you take that risk, right? Anyways, I'm not too worried. You guys shouldn't be either. Make your analysis, do your trades, and definitely spend some time with your family and relax. Don't stress too much over the markets, right? And yeah, love you guys. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. Maybe we'll do a live stream tomorrow on Sunday night. We'll see where maybe we'll do some live trading on Sunday. I don't know. I love you guys so much. You guys have been incredibly supportive. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. We started in April, and yeah, I love you guys so much. Peace.